Hello, Chef here in one of the kitchens with another recipe for you. What do we have here? We have a very large beef chuck roast. I'm using a large cast iron Dutch oven today. Oh, the finished beef chuck roast there, looking really good. A little bit of parsley as a garnish. Oh, that's gonna be good. Try out this recipe and make sure to subscribe. Try out this recipe. You're gonna love it. The awesome, healthy recipes. Live longer and get the best products the first time. Yeah, support small business, get cooking, and have a wonderful day. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff. And it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the butcher blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. They come large, they come medium, and they come small. 3 sizes. Perfect for the ladies with the little hands. The glove's made to be loose fitting. It's not a tight fitting glove. Slides on and off. Put it in the dishwasher. Put it in the laundry machine. It doesn't matter how you wash it. Let it air dry. It's good. This glove is probably 10 years old. It's still going. So visit the sponsor. They got all these babies in stock. Like I said, 100% made in USA. That's the difference between shopping small, buying from a small business in the USA, and buying all the cheap garbage that's mass marketed by the big merchant. You know who they are. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. dragon fruit persimmons relish. Thanks for watching. Hit the love button, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, that's gonna be good. Try out this recipe and make sure to subscribe. Please share it as well. It's gonna be good. Search soups on this channel. You'll find a whole bunch. Most importantly, make sure to shop the sponsor. That's going to keep these videos going. And why not? Buy the best quality products the first time. Talking about these Japanese knives, butcher block, made in the USA. The best you can get. This one has been cut, chopped, scraped, and cooked on for over 20 years, and it looks new. Check it out. Yeah. I really like this crust recipe, and you can find it on the channel, of course. Even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. The sponsor can help you with selection, sizing, base colors, discounts, free shipping, no tax, and even installation. One of the few companies left that actually provides customer service and can help you to improve the look and function of your new kitchen. Call them now. All right, check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links, and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.